Welcome to today's session where we are going to dive into the exciting world of Bird, your ultimate customer engagement platform. Today, we'll be focusing on connectors. These are the bridges that seamlessly link Bird with your other systems such as Shopify, Salesforce, and many more. And guess what? We have made it incredibly easy for you through our marketplace. Let's explore how. To get started, simply navigate to Automate Work, then Connectors, and finally Marketplace. Here you will find a treasure trove of all the connectors ready to use, and that number is growing every week. Whether you're looking to integrate with an e-commerce platform, CRMs, or other tools, we have got you covered. To find the connector you need, use the search box. Type in the name of the desired connector, and voila, you will see a list of options. Click on the platform of your choice to view the connector overview. Here you'll find the details like use cases and prerequisites. Once you've found the perfect fit, it's time to make the magic happen. Click Install and follow a few simple steps. Enter the connector name, type in the instance, and click on Login and Install. It will navigate you to the external system wherein you got to authenticate, and once you log in, the connector is set up. Installation is a breeze, and in just few clicks, your connector was ready to go. And the best part, you can install multiple instances for the same platform or mix and match the connector for different platforms. Now that you've installed the connector, what next? Leverage these connectors in your flows, journeys, inbox, campaigns, and more. Bird makes it easy for you to enhance your customer engagement by seamlessly connecting your systems. So what you're waiting for? Dive into the Bird marketplace and start elevating your customer experience today. Thank you for joining us today. Your journey with Bird starts right here. Happy connecting.